The tech-savvy cat discovers a new use for the AI pin, turning it into a cosmic photography assistant. After adorning its astronaut suit, the cat uses the AI pin to snap breathtaking photos of nebulae and distant galaxies. As the AI pin enhances image quality on the fly, the cat captures vibrant, starry landscapes from its imaginary space journey. Fascinated by the endless cosmic canvas, the cat imagines framing these intergalactic masterpieces back on Earth. Viewers are invited to ponder what wonders they would capture with the AI pin in the vast universe.